In continuation to the last video, estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Nearest tens, if the rules are, if the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, which are nearer to 0, then to 10. So we round off 1, 2, 3, 4 as 0, and 6, 7, 8, 9 are nearer to 10. So we round off as 10. Okay, this is the rule. And what about 5? 5 is in general it is common practice commonly rounded off as 10. तो इसका मतलब बेसिक क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि 5 आर मोर देन 5, मतलब 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 आर नियरर टू द 10, therefore rounded off to 10, rounded off as 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4 as 0. So just see some examples to rounding off the nearest tens. For example, if you want to round off 32, so first we observe this ones place digit. Ones place digit is 2, that means it is nearer to 0, so we make a 0, that means it rounded off as the 30. If number is 57, that means 7 is more than 5, so it is nearer to the next tens, so we add 1 with 5 and round off as 60. Okay, suppose if number is 72, then we round off this. Again observe ones place digit 2, which is nearer to 0, so we make it 0 as it is, so 70. If 81 or suppose 89, okay, that means 9 is more nearer to next tens, so we add 1 with 8 and it become 90. Okay, now estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off अब 100 प्लेस के लिए भी आपको यही देखना है कि आप देखोगे 400 अगर हम लिख रहे हैं 21. So it is more closer to 400 instead of 500. Okay, so it will round it off to the 400. और अगर हम 451 की बात कर दें या 56 की, it is more closer to the 500. So we have to write the 500. Correct? So how we can round it off the nearest 100? So for this purpose we observe the tens place digit. To round off the tens place we observe the ones place digit, and to round off nearest hundreds we observe tens place digit. If tens place digit is again less than 5, then we round off on the same 100 place. Okay, that means on 400. If tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 at the 100 place. So 4 will round off, 456 will round off into the 500. Okay, one more example. If we write 778, then again we observe the tens place digit 7, which is more than 5. So it will round off in next 100, means 800. 7 में 1 add कर दिया. If we write the number 950, so again this number tens place digit is 5. Remember it, for the hundreds place rounding off we observe the tens place digit which is more than 5 or 5, then we add 1 to the 100 place. So 9 plus 1, 10. That means 1000. So 950 will round off in 1000. I hope you understand the estimation or estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off and nearest hundreds by rounding off. I will give you some notes on this estimation topic and some more exercise with the thousands in next video.